crop. Like English, if you are learning something, if you are applying some method and you are thinking like that method is not working for you, then just stop, just leave that. You must be thinking she is mad, why she is happy after seeing this cutting pipe. So let me tell you that. Good morning everyone. So right now we are going to our rice field, and this is the road of our village which is always full of muddy puddles. And when we reached the field, my father had already mixed the pesticide in the sprayer and ready for spraying. Hi everyone, very good morning all of you. Right now I am in our paddy field, and you can see this side my father is spraying pesticide because our crop has caught some disease. And this side you can see our beautiful धान की बालियाँ. तो धान की बालियाँ को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? Paddy ears. So you can see these all paddy ears. And this side some field we grown for eating purpose. So this field we have grown for eating purpose, not for selling. And there is one sad things about these paddy ears. You can see this one, it's looking like it's ready and it's mature and it's turned brown, but it's not, it just dried. There is no, you can't find any rice here because it's a disease. Our crop got disease, so that's why my father is spreading pesticide here. And my father said to me like I have to remove these. So these are all dried paddy ears. So not all field there are dried paddy ears. It started, so that's why I will remove. And my mother started, I don't know, my mother is not visible. So I think now you can see my mother is there. So my mother and me, we both work in this field and we will remove these dried paddy ears so that it will not affect all field. So guys, this place a lot of dried paddy ears are there. So I'm gonna remove this, and it's not possible while recording I can remove, so I have to remove, then I will record this. I will remove some of this place. There are a lot of dried paddy ears because of disease, so I have to remove this. Friends, when my father is spraying pesticide here, you can see some insects flying around, and these are the same insects that suck the sap from the rice ears, and they are the main cause of the disease. So friends, I just want to mention one thing. When we grow seeds, it's take a lot of time to harvest. It's need water, it's need proper sunlight, and it's go through many process, like in the beginning plowing, sowing, puddling, and transplanting, paddy seedling, and weeding, and many process. And if the crop got disease, then we have to spread pesticide, and we use fertilizer, and it's take months for harvest and to get mature. And same like English, when you start your journey, it's take a lot of time, and to be fluent, it's not like within a week, within a 2 week, within a month you can learn English. It's not possible because it's take time, right? and like paddy plant, it goes many process, like when it's get mature. So like English is the same. We have to do many things, like we have to learn vocabulary, we should know about grammar, and we should learn how to make sentence, we should try to listen, and listening, speaking, and writing, reading. So many process we should do, we should apply all kind of method. And like paddy, when the crop disease, uh, when we spread like pesticide, that pesticide will not work, then we change another pesticide after some days for the good crop. Like English, if you are learning something, if you are applying some method and you are thinking like that method is not working for you, then just stop, just leave that, not learning journey, just that method you are applying, and try to apply another method. And it's per your interest. If you are interested to listen some podcast or anything according to your interest, just try to listen those kind of things, try to watch and speak with your friends, at least small words, start with basic sentence, daily use sentence. And it's take time, friends. It's not possible to learn within a year to be fluent, and within a month it can be possible, but it's depend on you, like how much time you are giving, and if you are consistent or not. Because if you are not consistent, then no matter how much time you give, you will never be able to speak fluently. So we need proper time for practice, right? And if you are learning something, anything, be consistent and never give up, and try to learn, try to apply different method. And if that method doesn't work, just try to apply any method that you are interested, and if that work, then you should follow those things. Because you can find so many videos on YouTube, and there they will tell you how you can learn English, uh, and how to be fluent. So try to apply those method. And so many people make video like you can be fluent within a month, then it's not possible. But you should try to apply those method. It will take time and you will definitely learn. Like how we learn our mother tongue, by listening, by speaking, and by copying others, right? So like that you should also apply those things and never give up. And always whenever you are getting time, just try to listen only English. And because if you are listening only English, you will definitely try to speak, you will feel like to speak. Because listening helped me a lot, and in the beginning I was listening a lot, and one time I was not getting, so I was listening many times, same video 10 times, 15 times, again and again I used to listen. So that's helped me. So friends, you should never give up, and you should try to learn English daily, and be confident, be consistent, and one day you will definitely learn. But you have to follow all those things to become fluent. Whatever you watch from YouTube, whatever you learn from other uh, co-learners, and everything we need, like we need to focus on writing, speaking, and reading. And like paddy, like it's need water, it's need proper sunlight, and it's need fertilizer for good crop, for good harvest, right? So like English, we need to focus on all the things, we have to be good in all those things, then we will learn, otherwise we can't. So whatever doubt you have, you can search on ChatGPT or Google, and you can find, you can clear your doubt. Friends, right now we are going another field to see, to check that field crop, and that is little far, and my father have completed spreading pesticide this side field, so that's why we are going that area. And so guys, finally we have reached our another field, and you can see these all field also ears of paddy have come out, and my mother is coming. So guys, you can see there are a lot of snake burrow. तो सांप के बिल को बोलते हैं burrow. And these burrow on the road, and we are moving ahead, crossing it to go to the other field. So friends, now I'm happy. Reason I will tell you. I was so much tired after walking so many places, because we went another field, and while coming on the way I saw something. Let me show you. This pipe cutting, and you must be thinking she is mad. Why she is happy after seeing this cutting pipe? So let me tell you that I have watched some videos on YouTube, and there some people grow some flowers, and in this kind of pipe, and they just make hole, and then they grow flowers, and when it grows it looks so beautiful. And some people grow vegetable as well, and there are a lot of cutting pipe, and my father said you can take if you want some, because it's no use. So I'm gonna take some pipe, this cutting, and I'm very happy because I will grow some flower in terrace. We have kitchen garden for planting flowers, for vegetable, but I like to plant in terrace. So I will keep it, and I will grow some, and I will show you. So friends, right now I am going back home, and you can see on the way I saw these all goats are grazing grass, and how cute they are looking. So many goats are there, and they all are grazing, and this one is cute. So guys, बकरियों के झुंड को हम इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे? So let me tell you that बकरियों के झुंड को इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं a herd of goats. His name is Raunak. What is your name? Tell me your name. नाम बताओ अपना. रौनक पटेल. Good. आज आंगनबाड़ी नहीं गया रे गधा? So friends, I was walking on the road, and some children were catching fish with a fishing rod. And one children caught a fish and showed me, look. And these kids were really enjoying catching fish. फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे जो बच्चे एक स्टिक के सहारे मछली पकड़ रहे हैं उसे कहते हैं फिशिंग रोड. So they are catching fish with the help of fishing rod. Friends, I hope you like today's blog and you learned something new today. If you like it, then please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.